Come here. You always get such filthy ears. Let's check them this time. Yeah, there you go. Look at this. Can't see, huh? Misha likes it. You was drooling. Look how much drool you left. Jeez. You and Keone. Such filthy ears. Alright, let's try this side. Yeah. Hold on, I can't see. There we go. See, and she's purring. But I need you to stay still, Link. Wah! Don't put the claw on my thigh, bitch. Yeah, this one. Oh, there you go. We have mites or something. I have to get your eardrops. There you go. Look how much drool she leaves. No. Oh, you want more? Here. Alright, it's Kiona's turn. Kiona gets filthy ears as well. Come here, Psycho. Stacy. Yeah. Here's what you want. I'm gonna clean your ears. Yeah, you don't care. Stay still. See, you get such filthy ears. Oh god, they're really filthy. Here. Bitch, don't move. See, look at that. You and Misha get such grimy ears.